At every job, there are workers who complete the job in a super perfect way. At that time, they work in a skillful and proficient manner. Today, High Tech will put together those videos to make you happy about the way they work. Let's watch the videos to the very end to see how professionals work in the best way. Amazing cakes! The technique of painting murals is highly professional. A classic masterpiece with many patterns will be created by this man's skillful hands. Look at them, it is really cool. Absolutely unbelievable. Removing that stencil for the final reveal. The way they paint the walls is clever. The work seems to be easier and more perfect thanks to this creativity. She was painting abstract acrylic paintings easily with a giant brush. This is interesting. This driveway was an extremely dirty area. They cleaned the yard in a satisfying way. Wonderful. The way they work is professional. A seemingly simple work of art has an incredible beauty. Horn pottery, hand-compressed flared mouthpiece. I can't seem to take my eyes off of this. How truly wonderful. How do they usually make chocolate cakes? This is one of the short videos in a series of shorts, concise videos revealing the mystery behind how things work on a daily basis. I don't think I've seen anything so beautiful before. I held my breath as I watched him mold the clay to the kiln. How about you? Modern and extremely unique decorative lights. Let's enjoy the results together. An amazing roof cleaning transformation. The results are astounding. So that's how they draw the line. Sit back and become mesmerized with this road painting compilation. Have you ever wondered, how is Pepsi made? This is the modern automatic Pepsi machine and production line. This guy changed his car badge with ease. It is so eye-catching. Wow, amazing! These devices are manufactured and installed very well and precisely. He painted the wall in just 60 seconds. His way of working is smooth and fast. He used the tip to turn his creations into a super masterpiece. Their professional way of working has created very cute cream lusters. Would you like to try a sweet cake like this? This fleece is as smooth as a Tennessee whiskey. As you can see, this is totally worth noting. According to their share, this is the first time they do epoxy flooring. As you can note, they're making beautiful floors, aren't they? This guy has a very special woodworking idea with wood logs. Look at it, it is super cool. And here is our closing for today's video. Let us know which perfect job you are most impressed with by commenting below. You do it best by liking and subscribing to our channel. Goodbye and see you in the next video.